These jobs do not pay enough for what the fuck they be wanting you to do. And honestly, it's like, are y'all employers, are y'all paying attention to the cost of living out here? Are you paying attention to the fact that these groceries, everything has gone up?
Yo, it's your boy Demarcus Duhart, man, back with another video, man. How you guys doing? Guys, like I said, man, there seems to be an epidemic going on. Talk to you guys about, is $20 an hour enough? Right now, 2024. You guys, tell me in the comments down below, is it enough? I really don't think it's enough. $20 an hour is it's really just gonna get you by. $20 an hour is gonna be gas money, or it's really just not enough to sustain a family in 2024. Basically, the cost of inflation and all that has been just ramshacking everybody, and it's not fair, man. It's really not fair. I hate it. Like the fact that I would say the government has raised prices up higher and higher and higher. It's crazy, man. It's a shame. So let's check out this guy who's basically talking about $20 an hour and see how he's feeling about this, because I think how he's feeling is actually very accurate. It's insane, but it's true. Let's see.
If you get paid $20 an hour, is that a lot of money to you? This might be a hot take, but I think $20 an hour is a lot of money if you live with your parents, don't have any bills, and you work a lot of overtime at your job. Man. I feel like making $20 an hour if you're like grown isn't like a flex. Back in the day when people used to tell me that they made $20 an hour, I thought that was a lot of money. If you're making $20 an hour 10 years ago, you were taking 4.5 vacations a year, you probably shopped at Whole Foods, you're able to save a lot of money. In today's world, making $20 an hour is equivalent to making $11 an hour. You're on the poor list. This girl made a video and she says she declined a job because the job was gonna pay her $18 an hour, and people in the comments were saying that she's crazy for declining a job that's paying $18 an hour, because $18 an hour is a lot of money. Maybe if you're a teenager in high school, it's a lot of money, but 18, 19, 20 isn't a lot of money anymore, sweetheart. Chick-fil-A and McDonald's is starting off at $19 an hour. Wow. And then a lot of companies feel like if they're paying you $20 an hour, they're really doing their big one, and they're not. I feel like companies should start paying close to the 30s, or maybe late 20s or 30s. I mean, if you think about it, the Dollar Tree isn't even $1 anymore. So $20 an hour isn't really $20 an hour anymore. A 4 for $4 at Wendy's isn't $4 anymore. So $20 an hour isn't $20 anymore. I could go on and on with this.
He's actually spitting facts, man. He's spitting straight facts, man. It is crazy. $20 an hour, a 4 for $4 ain't even, what? It ain't even $4 no more. A 4 for $4 is like $10. Bruh, so that's what I'm saying. Like, if you focus on $20 an hour and you're coming from nothing, I believe that that's a great opportunity to get something, because something's better than nothing. So if you're going to get $20 an hour, you go ahead and hustle it up, get your skills up, and you can pivot into something better. You can go to content creation, you can get a better job. Like I said, I also got a list of jobs that actually pay $50 an hour down below in the comments. So you can download that list. It's free, and there's jobs near you that pay $50 an hour, and you can go and apply for those and really make your money. You don't got to worry about getting $30 an hour, $20 an hour. Click the link down below in the comments. It should be the pinned comment down there. And I did my homework just for you guys, because I wanted to not only talk about this problem about $50 an hour, and of course, us as blacks, we're definitely getting affected a lot worse than a lot of other races about this, because we're not pivoting to a lot of different skills like other races. But that's why it's up for us to help each other. So in the first pinned comment is a link to a list of $50 an hour jobs near you. Click the link, guys. But like I said, you got to realize that the trajectory, the amount of money, the amount of interest we're paying in taxes, it isn't matching our cost of living. It just ain't. It's crazy that we're going through this, man. Where we getting chopped up, man. We getting chopped up just like.
If I don't knock you out, I won't knuckle up then. Raise up my mouth, wanna swing and get you up, grab you by your neck. You get another cut and another cut. It look like the seatbelt won't work in time.
Yeah, that's what the government doing to us, man. So, you know, it's crazy how people are suffering right now, man. I'm making a group of qualified people that will want to go to the next level. You can click the link down below. You know, I'm a part of tens and $1,000 masterminds that I've pivoted, and I want to teach a group of people the stuff I have learned. A qualified group of 5 people for free. You know, I'm gonna put y'all all on game. So the first 5 people that sign up to my website down below, demarcusduhart.com, I'll coach you guys for free and take y'all to the next level, man. But like I said, you know, I've made, you know, I've had a business that's made way more than 6 figures. You know, in the 6 figures, not more like 7 figures. I've never made 7 figures, but multiple 6 figures a year. And it's, you know, I will get to that later, but at the same time, I want to teach my people and whoever really, but I noticed that our people, as far as blacks, we really are behind more than other races. So hit the link down below, demarcusduhart.com, man, and we're going to see how this other lady is faring with her situation in life. She seems like she's fed up and she's through with it, man. How even if you're making $20 an hour, $30 an hour, it ain't enough, man. So let's just see what she's talking about right quick. She going off right now, dog. Let's check it.
When I tell y'all, I've been looking for a new job because I'm sick and tired of the job that I'm fucking at. I don't care. Honestly, I don't care. These jobs do not pay enough for what the fuck they be wanting you to do. And honestly, it's like, are y'all employers, are y'all paying attention to the cost of living out here? Are you paying attention to the fact that these groceries, everything has gone up, but our fucking pay? I'm sick of going to work I'm sick of going to work and I can barely pay my bills at the end of the month. These fucking jobs, like they be wanting you to bust your ass, go above and beyond, be there 6 days a week from 8 to 5, missing doctor's appointments, can't do shit with your motherfucking life but work for crumbs. And I'm fucking sick of it. We got kids out here, we got life out here, life in. This shit is just not adding up, and y'all wonder why motherfuckers is scamming, getting in the streets, selling, doing what the fuck they need to do to make ends meet. Y'all wonder why. Like, y'all wonder, if this shit is not realistic out here, and I'm really fucking sick of it. Like, I want to buy a house, I want to do all of that shit, but goddamn, I can't even save $1 because shit is so fucking expensive out here. These jobs don't want to give no raises, and the new jobs ain't paying shit. Entry-level positions starting at $16 an hour for motherfuckers with a bachelor's degree. Man, $32,000 a year, $35,000 a year, that's nothing. It's nothing. I'm sick of it. I'm
Yeah, she is fed up. Man, she is fed up, man. Like, she don't want to talk about it no more. She don't want to hear it no more. She's heard too much. And honestly, hey, I can't even disagree with her, guys. It's insane. So, like I said, I got a list down below, and it's going to be pinned at the top of the comments. A list of 50 an hour jobs near you that you can apply to and get hired by. So, like I said, like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Peace.